A smartwatch is no longer just a device that tells time. Today, it's your fitness companion, health tracker, notification center, and even part of your personal style. But the premium smartwatch market is already crowded with strong competitors like Samsung and Google. So the real question is, can the OnePlus Watch 3 stand among the best? Today, we're taking a closer look to find out if it's truly worth buying and whether it should be your next smartwatch. OnePlus built its reputation by offering flagship-level technology at competitive prices. Over the years, the company expanded beyond smartphones into earbuds, tablets, and wearables. With the OnePlus Watch 3, it's making one of its strongest attempts yet to compete in the premium smartwatch market. This isn't just another fitness tracker. It's designed to be a complete smartwatch experience. A device that looks premium, performs smoothly, tracks your health, and lasts long enough that you don't constantly think about charging it. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus Watch 3 keeps the classic circular watch shape, giving it the appearance of a traditional wristwatch instead of looking like a tiny smartphone on your wrist. It features a premium 47.6mm stainless steel body, paired with a titanium alloy bezel, creating a solid and elegant feel. Protecting the display is sapphire crystal glass, which is far more resistant to scratches than standard smartwatch glass. Whether you're heading to the office, going to the gym, or simply spending time with friends, the Watch 3 looks appropriate in almost every situation. OnePlus has also added a rotating digital crown alongside a physical button. These controls make navigating menus much easier, especially during workouts when using the touchscreen isn't always convenient. Overall, the design feels premium without being overly flashy, and that's something many users will appreciate. The attention to detail is also something worth mentioning. A smartwatch is something you wear every single day, so comfort matters just as much as appearance. The OnePlus Watch 3 manages to balance its large size with a comfortable design. Even though it has a premium metal body, it doesn't feel unnecessarily heavy on the wrist. The straps are also designed for long-term use, making it suitable for wearing throughout the day, during workouts, and even while sleeping. This is important because many people don't buy a smartwatch just for notifications. They buy it because they want a device that becomes part of their daily routine. A watch that feels comfortable enough to wear all day has a much better chance of actually helping you build healthier habits. Now let's move to the display. The OnePlus Watch 3 features a large 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display, and it's easily one of the best parts of this smartwatch. The colors are rich. The contrast is excellent. Everything looks sharp and vibrant. The LTPO technology intelligently adjusts the refresh rate depending on what you're doing, helping reduce power consumption while keeping animation smooth. Brightness reaches an impressive 2,200 nits. That means checking notifications or workout data under bright sunlight isn't a problem. The always-on display also gives the watch a more traditional feel, allowing you to check the time with just a quick glance. It's simply a display that feels premium every time you use it. Performance is another area where OnePlus has made significant improvements. Inside the Watch 3 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor, working together with a highly efficient BS2800 coprocessor. This dual-engine system is designed to balance performance and battery life. When you're actively using apps, the powerful processor delivers a fast and responsive experience. Once you're finished, the efficient coprocessor takes over background tasks to reduce power consumption. The watch also includes 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Apps open quickly, menus feel smooth, animations remain fluid. Overall, Wear OS runs exactly as you'd expect from a premium smartwatch. Another advantage of running Wear OS is the ecosystem of apps and features available. The OnePlus Watch 3 can connect with many popular Android applications, giving users access to a more complete smartwatch experience. You can check messages, control music, view calendar reminders, use navigation features, and customize the watch with different apps and watch faces. The ability to personalize the experience is something that separates a true smartwatch from a simple fitness tracker. Everyone uses their watch differently. Some people care more about fitness. Some want better productivity. Others simply want a stylish accessory that keeps them connected. The OnePlus Watch 3 gives users the flexibility to make the watch fit their lifestyle. Health tracking is one of the biggest reasons people buy smartwatches today, and the OnePlus Watch 3 offers a solid collection of features. It continuously monitors your heart rate, tracks your blood oxygen levels, measures wrist temperature, and even includes a convenient 60-second health check that provides a quick overview of several health metrics. For fitness enthusiasts, there are over 100 sports modes available. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or working out at the gym, the watch is ready to track your activity. OnePlus also includes dual-frequency GPS for improved outdoor accuracy. Even in busy cities or areas surrounded by tall buildings, location tracking remains reliable. The watch can also monitor your sleep, helping you better understand your recovery and overall wellness. Of course, these features aren't intended to replace professional medical equipment, but they can provide useful insights that encourage healthier daily habits. Now let's talk about what might be the biggest reason people choose this smartwatch: battery life. Battery performance has always been one of the biggest challenges for premium smartwatches. Many flagship watches still require charging almost every night. The OnePlus Watch 3 takes a different approach. It packs a large 631 mAh silicon carbon battery combined with its efficient dual-chip architecture. The result is impressive. You can expect up to 5 days of battery life during normal smart usage. If you switch to power saver mode, battery life can extend to as much as 16 days while still maintaining essential health tracking features. And when you finally need to recharge, fast charging gives you roughly a full day's worth of power in only 10 minutes. That kind of battery performance makes a noticeable difference in everyday use. Instead of planning your day around a charger, you simply wear the watch and let it do its job. Another thing that makes the OnePlus Watch 3 interesting is its balance. Many smartwatches focus heavily on one specific area. Some prioritize fitness, some focus on design, some concentrate on smart features. But OnePlus has tried to create a device that performs well across all categories. It may not dominate every single category, but it provides a complete package that works well for everyday users. And that balance is exactly what many people are looking for. A smartwatch should not only impress you on the first day, it should continue to be useful weeks and months later. So, who is the OnePlus Watch 3 actually for? If you're an Android user looking for a premium smartwatch with excellent battery life, this is definitely worth considering. It combines premium materials, a beautiful display, reliable performance, comprehensive health tracking, and impressive endurance in one package. However, it's not perfect. The biggest limitation is the lack of standalone LTE connectivity. That means your phone still needs to be nearby if you want to receive calls and messages. For some users, that won't matter. For others, it could be a deciding factor. At the end of the day, choosing a smartwatch always comes down to your personal priorities. After spending time looking at its design, display, performance, health features, and battery life, it's clear that the OnePlus Watch 3 is OnePlus' most complete smartwatch so far. It delivers premium build quality, a beautiful display, smooth performance, useful health tracking, and battery life that outlasts many competing smartwatches. It may not be the perfect smartwatch for everyone, but it's certainly one of the strongest options available for Android users. So, would I recommend it? Yes. If long battery life, premium design, and a smooth Wear OS experience are high on your list, the OnePlus Watch 3 is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more technology videos, gadget reviews, and smartphone comparisons. And now I'd like to hear your opinion. Would you choose the OnePlus Watch 3 over Samsung's Galaxy Watch or Google's Pixel Watch? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.